Giants and Nationals Game 2 of their series Saturday. Top of the fourth inning, Eduardo Nunez is on third. It's a scoreless game with one down. Buster Posey will single up the middle off of Steven Strasburg. The Giants break through. It's 1-0. Top of the fifth, Eduardo Nunez, for the second time in the game, he'll triple to right center field off of Strasburg. It's a 2-0 Giants lead. The next batter is Brandon Belt. He'll dunk one in down the left field line. Nunez will score. 3-0 Giants. Top of the eighth, it's now 5-0 Giants. Runner on at second, 2 outs. Oliver Perez pitching. Pinch hitter Ade Adrianza singles to left. Driving in Hunter Pence at 6-0 Giants. Top of the ninth, 6-1 Giants. Brandon Belt with a finishing touch, or more like a smash. The deep right off of Jonathan Papelbon is 13th. 7-1 Giants is your Saturday final. Steven Strasburg loses for just the second time this season. He falls to 15-2, shortest outing of his year, 4 2/3, 4 runs, 8 hits, and 8 strikeouts. Sunday afternoon has a great pitching matchup. Tanner Roark faces the Giants for the second time in just over a week, opposed by Madison Bumgarner of San Francisco.